In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Miro. Starting off with the basics, the first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to miro.com. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice some options at the top. Click on the login button and you'll be redirected to the login page. Here, you have the flexibility to either sign in using your email or your Google account. If you choose to continue with your email, simply click on that option and enter your details. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself at your Miro dashboard. Take a moment to browse through your existing boards. Select the board that you want to work on by clicking on it. After your board opens, look for the image that you want to crop. Click on the image to highlight it. Now direct your attention to the toolbar where you'll find various options for editing your image. Locate the mask and crop button. This is essential for manipulating the shape and size of your image. Once you click on this button, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. From here, click on Custom to have full control over your crop's dimensions and outline. Use your mouse to drag the corners and sides to adjust your crop to your desired frame. This hands-on approach gives you the freedom to highlight the part of the image that's most important to you. Having practiced your custom cropping skills, you might want to explore further. Look around your board for another image. Clicking on it will make it ready for another round of editing. Just like before, head back to the mask and crop button. However, let's switch things up this time. Instead of custom, opt for circle. This tool makes it easy to crop your image into a perfect circle, offering a distinct and professional touch. As you refine the circle crop, pay attention to how it shapes the presentation of your image. Miro's intuitive interface ensures that you can easily adjust and modify your images without hassle. Experimenting with these options makes your board visually enticing and communicates your ideas more effectively. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can step back to admire your work. Cropping might seem like a small task, but mastering it gives you the power to transform your visual presentation in Miro significantly. With these steps, you are well prepared to handle any cropping needs that come your way. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore more of what Miro offers for your creative needs. Happy creating!